Maybe you'll be as fortunate as Roscoe. But he wasn't all that fortunate recently. You see, after losing his parents, Roscoe was so depressed he wouldn't eat and didn't respond to any medical treatments. In fact, the doctors thought he would surely die from sadness. Things were looking pretty bad for Roscoe. But friends found an old sick dog at a park nearby where Roscoe lived, and they took the dog to the animal treatment center. It happened that Roscoe was being treated nearby also. Well, they met, and the two hurt and lost souls hit it off immediately and have been inseparable ever since. Roscoe found a new reason to live. They both are always trying their best to be a good companion to their newfound friend. They are together 24 hours a day in all their activities. Roscoe is well, let me introduce you. Meet Roscoe and his good buddy. They too live in Northern California where swimming is their favorite pastime, even though Roscoe is a little afraid of the water and needs his friend's help to swim. Together they have discovered the joy and laughter in life and the value of friendship. They have found more than a friendly shoulder to lean on. Long live friendship. I don't know. Some say life is too short, and others say it's too long. But I know that nothing we do makes sense if we don't touch the hearts of others while it lasts and while it counts. May you always have love to share, health to spare, and friends who care. So join us at the beach bonfire, and maybe you'll meet a new lifetime friend. Hope to see you there.